18, runway 22 left, clear for takeoff.
Delta 1215, script for takeoff.
Delta 267 Harry, again, caution runway 31, flying Boeing 757, runway 22 left, clear to land.
Correct, land, 22 left, Delta 267 Heavy.
Delta 1215, connect Boston 8 departure here.
1215 today.
Afternoon, Tower, Big Air 3106, 22 left.
Big Air 3106, Boston Tower, caution runway 31, heavy Boeing 767, touching down. Embraer 190 reported a loss of 15 knots, 400 foot final. And several aircraft reported 4 bridge at the intersection runway 32 left and 22 left. Big Air 3106, runway 22 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, 22 left, Big Air 3106.